In this video, I'm going to be showing how the SwiftCiv application can be used to work with design documents and speed up your work process. So specifically for this situation, we're going to be going through this document. So it's for California Stormwater Quality Association Handbook Municipal. Okay, so I have some questions here as well that I used AI to generate and ask. So what we will do first is we upload the document. Let me just find it. Okay, you upload the document. You can add more information about the document, or if you leave it blank, it should figure out where the document is based on using the information in the document. So we'll give that time to download. So why this application is useful is because it will give you a response and it will always quote where it found the information. If it doesn't find the information, it will just respond with it couldn't find it. So this avoids hallucinations, meaning it avoids the application making up any answers or using the internet to find answers. It's only going to give you answers based on the documents that you've uploaded. So once the document's uploaded, we'll ask the first question, which is this one. What is municipal activity? What municipal activities, I don't know whether I'm pronouncing this word correctly, but what municipal activities require stormwater BMPs under the MS4 permit? So we'll see whether it's downloaded. Okay, so this document didn't take too long, but the larger the document, the longer it's gonna take. There shouldn't be a limit, because I think the highest I've seen so far was 1,000 pages I downloaded. It will just tell you it will take a bit longer, but should be fine. So we'll ask the first question. This is the first question, and because there's multiple documents, it should ask for what state. Okay, yeah. So then, but they're both California, so we'll see. See where we'll be able to answer. So yeah, again, if it doesn't find the answer, it will just say it couldn't find it. It found the answer, and it's quoted where. So based on provided documents, stormwater BMPs are required for the following activities, and it gives where you can find each one, the response. So we'll go to the second question. What stormwater pollution prevention or good housekeeping practices are required for public facilities? So after, I'll delete this other file just so we can ask the questions quicker. So we'll go through the document and we'll see if it can find the answer. Okay, so it's got a response for us. This one's a bit longer. It gives each response and it quotes where you can find each one. Okay, so I'll delete the stormwater one now. ask the third question. I'll go to the fourth one just to save time. So what BMPs should be used for washing activities that could discharge to the storm drain system. Let's search in the documents. Okay, so it's given a response. Based on the provided documents, here are the best management practices, which is BMPs for washing activities. Current BMPs employed, recommended BMPs, suggested, and with each response it quotes where you can find it. So for the last question now, ask what documentation or reporting is required to show compliance with the municipal stormwater program. Okay, we'll ask that and we'll see. And if it's able to answer this question, what I'll do is we'll also look through the text as well. We'll look through the text and then we'll double check that the place that is quoted or referenced, that we can also find the text there as well. Okay, so it's given a response. Based on the documents, based on the uploaded documents, the documentation and reporting requirements for municipal stormwater programs depend on whether the municipality is classified as phase 1 or phase 2. Okay, so it first shows for phase 1 what you need to do, and we'll go and we'll double check this ourselves. So page 276, required to submit annual reports documenting BMP implementation with dates varying depending on the individual MPDs. So for the status summary of the stormwater performed, stormwater monitoring, assessment, changes. So I'll check page 276 now to double check whether it can be found. So yeah, it talks about reporting, and what was it mentioning? So the program implementation status, the summary, activities, the monitoring. Okay, yeah, so there we have it on page 276. So as you can see, I'll zoom in so you can see. Yeah, so quoted from here and a reference for us to be able to double check ourselves.